Saturday, September 28th, 2024. This is my White Sapote in ground in here in my greenhouse. I'm doing an air layer on it right now that is actually starting to show some roots. It's going to stay on there a little bit longer until it gets quite a few more roots before I take that off of the parent plant and pop that air layer. Anyhow, I was just out here walking by and I noticed, let's see if I can get it, little caterpillar just come out of the egg. There's another one under here. When these get bigger, they're called bird poop caterpillars because that's what they look like. That is their disguise. And there's another egg right there. These are the caterpillars of the giant swallowtail butterfly, one of our biggest butterflies we have here. And so I always let them have, I mean, I don't like get them off of here. They're welcome. They've never destroyed my tree, although I've had quite a few on them. They are very attracted to these white sapote, and they will eat some hose and some leaves, but they're okay. That one there still got its egg beside it. So anyways, really cool. Giant swallowtail caterpillars, aka bird poop caterpillars. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. God bless.